All right, today we're going to be drawing this weird, crazy, veiny alien. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So you can kind of see I kind of doodle these skull type images, and then my alien goes on top of it. My first draft is really, really rough, and then I just kind of go. So you can kind of see where the skeleton is behind all that. I drew these weird teeth also that aren't really like teeth. I don't know. I just kind of did it to do it, and I don't know. Didn't really think about if it made sense or not. I did the veins on another layer as a rough. I'm not good at doing veins, so this was kind of like my attempt to try and right that wrong. Of course, I always like to put a little bit of hair, and I love having pointed ears on creatures, so that's something that always pops up. I don't know. I'm just a fan of the pointy ears. Is he friendly? Is he bad? Obviously, he's a bad dude. And the double pupils, I thought I'd mess with that. Right now, you can see where I'm kind of adding in the shading to the veins on the head. So I just did them on one side to kind of show the shadow of that. The coloring or the painting of it went really fast. Again, water brush from High Bleed from Infinite Painter. Green, yellow with green, blue veins. Added some contrast, highlights. Thought I'd make the eyes kind of bloodshot. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for hanging out. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks.